how to add contacts shortcut to home on Truecaller on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and now go to this one here on your profile, click on your profile and then click this settings icon. And now click general and scroll down. You will find add contacts shortcut to home. Just click on it and then click add, and that's it. Then it will be added, and then just go back and it will be saved, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.